What did you do? Fresh. Look at all that. Diaper delivery! Diaper delivery, Daniel! Diaper delivery. Diaper. He's kind of tired, but look at, there you go. Focus, Daniel, focus. It looks like possibly a hoodie from Aeropostale. Hey, Henry. Henry, I have to go to work for a little while. This is a sad puppy. He knows I'm leaving. But when I come back later, we have doggy class. Later, okay? So I'll give you some treats and you can take a little, just hang out, and I'll see you when I get home. You want to do that? Okay, come here. I have to go to work though. Yeah, kind of like that. I did a little purple thing this morning. Alright, I'm heading out to work on Thursday morning, January 22nd. Yeah, so, whatever. It's just kind of another day. I'm just not sleeping good. Keep waking up. You know what's really cool? Here's something really cool. Here's a share for this morning. This is a sort of a little art gallery I have up here in this room. This is Christmas lights, which are actually Daniel's fingerprints. This is my Daniel art. This is I gotta put a frame on this one because it doesn't have a canvas. This is a garden with butterflies. See the butterfly? All Daniel's fingerprints. Isn't that beautiful? Can't take credit for these. These are from school and from our nurses who work with him. This one is one of my faves. It's a couple of years old, but it's Daniel's butterfly feet. Anything. All right, so yeah, that's a starfish that reminds me of how much I want to live where there's beach and warmth, as you can tell, as I say that all the time. So that's my little art gallery. Isn't that sweet? I have more stuff here and there. Someday I'm going to get my act together and scan it all in. Oh, it looks like we got delivery. Maybe it's Thomas's guitar. Maybe it's Thomas's bass guitar. Do you think it is? Okay, let's go see Henry. Come on. Something happened while I was in the shower. This is why you have to be creative when I go to work. It looks like a wild raccoon with rabies came in here. Wow. Good thing I emptied the shredder yesterday. Henry. Really? Disgusting. What did you do? And no, it's not the guitar, it's just diapers. Look at all that. Diaper delivery! Diaper delivery, Daniel! Diaper delivery. Diapers, gloves, pads for his butt. And now I have to clean this up. Naughty boy, Henry. What did you do? What did you do? Fresh. What the hell? I mean, it's like I have a wild animal in my house. All right, naughty. You know, just when I think he's doing really, really well, because he does all his commands and listens, you know, but then he gets on his own and mayhem. Just mayhem, I tell you. Mayhem. Okay. Now I gotta clean it up, clean it up, clean it up, clean it up. Disgusting. I feel like doing this. Sometimes your dog is like worse than your children. You're a little loud, but you're like my best friend. Or XL. Seriously. It sucks up pretty much anything. Alright. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay, Julie really needs to leave and go to work now. With my second day hair and my purple eyeshadow. I know, I am so not up to like normal life today. Okay, let's go. Let's go, go, go. It's 9:30. Girl hard at work with her integrity water glass. Integrity. I'm hard at work. I just am hard at work. Actually doing good. Actually kind of happy today. Yeah, working on homeowners insurance and rental insurance, but we also have auto insurance and life insurance. So friends, I am Julie. I am licensed in Connecticut. So I'm sure that everyone's like, I live in Idaho, I live in Wisconsin. But if you live in Connecticut, call us for a quote. Why not? We're all state. Thank you. Thomas. Hi, having fun at the orthodontist? Maybe someday you'll get that thing taken off. And then you'll get braces on. So
I remember it. Yeah, his teeth are so we need to go a little bit more. We generally suggest a little.
That's Dr. Baum. Hey, hello friends, everybody. One of Daniel's fans sent him a gift. Daniel, look. Stop watching Bob the Builder. Look at. What's in this? It's so nice. Let's see. That's so nice of somebody to send you something. Huh? Look. Henry wants to see. Look. What a nice color. You want to open it? He doesn't seem to be interested because he's kind of tired. But look at, there you go. Focus, Daniel. Focus. It looks like possibly a hoodie from Aeropostale. Let's open it. Put your hand in there. Can you put your hand in there? Oh, don't get mad at me. Look, that's for you. Open it. Come on, open it. What's the matter? You tired? He just had therapy, so he's like, I am so done with life. Daniel says, thank you for this beautiful hoodie, and Henry's going to eat it. Eat the plastic, rather, in the box. It's a nice thermal one. Yeah, I know. You appreciate it more when you're wearing it and it's keeping you warm, but it's lovely. Huh? Does it smell nice? Is it soft? You just want to go to bed? You want to go sleep? Yeah. Feels like a pillow?
I think actually, when she came in, it just felt so.
Aw, Daniel.
You want to go back to bed and rest for a little bit?
He worked so hard.
Huh.
Did you work so hard? Henry, you want to come up? Up. Up. Can you do it? Up. Up. Come on. Up. 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 No, that's not working well. Oh, he's insecure. Here we go. That didn't work well. It's too slippery. He has it. No, no. Come on. Sit. Sit. Henry. Down. Good boy. Good boy. There we go. Really? You singing a song? Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, no, no. He loves you. That's why he does that. Henry! He's having his moment. He's like, I want to be part of the action. Oh, thank you, Dale. I'm going to kiss you. Oh. Thank you, Dale. I'm going to kiss you again. Oh. I know. He doesn't like to be kissed in the face. Yeah, I know. Right, Henry? Right, Henry? Oh gosh, you need to be. He's going to the groomer. I want to get him shaved.
Really?
Yeah, thinking about it. Not totally.
Get a short cut?
Yeah, not literally. But it depends on how bad he's matted. I've been trying to keep up with it, but I'm failing. He's too fuzzy and too active.
Yeah.
Hi!